On a bank holiday weekend, I was looking through Facebook Marketplace and came across something, well, probably quite unusual to purchase, but a lamppost, which I then thought would probably go quite well at the top of the driveway. Little did I know the weight of this lamppost. Well, let's be honest, it's made of cast iron, so it was pretty heavy. It spent 2 weeks here in this position on the driveway, and then I spoke to a good friend of mine that's a landscape gardener. He has all the tools, and yes, we dug a 2-foot hole, and those bricks did come out of there. They are under my lawn, which was quite shocking, but they came in handy later on. We bought this dolly, which allowed us to pull the lamppost up the driveway, which was actually easier than we thought it was going to be. We thought about towing it at one point. We then mixed the ballast and cement, creating some concrete, which allowed us to essentially route the lamppost the best we could, although I was a little bit nervous, as if this fell over it could cause some damage. So we made sure that we packed the 2-foot hole full of concrete, which also, as you can see, fills the inside of the base, which means you've got a good routing. Now the concrete is setting, the lamppost is still straight, and yes, the top is waiting for its restoration, which I am also carrying out and documenting here for you. Now the lamppost is waiting for the top to be installed, I want to start restoring it, and I've got some great hammered paint, which is actually a primer as well. So that will help us restore what you can see here, where the paint has flaked off and there is some corrosion taking place. I've disconnected all of the wires, which actually makes our life a lot easier. I've removed the photo cell, and I feel that now we can probably just lift this up and, yeah, basically we can take the whole electronic component section of this lamp off. With the electronics removed, we can take out this internal moulding. Now obviously we'll clean that up, that is not a problem, but then when we look back at the lamppost frame, we can see that there was some sealant around here, which we will add back at a later stage. Now here you can see the corrosion that I couldn't get to before that I can now fix, so that will be good, and I will show you how we do that. So yeah, going back to this, we'll use this Rust-Oleum, which effectively will allow us to clean this up. Hopefully we won't need too many coats. I guess we will find out. Stay tuned for part 2, where we're going to clean up the lamp, make sure it's painted, and get ready to place it on the top of the lamppost. Thanks for watching, and join us again on Chiltern Views.